My name is Stella.
My name is Ruby.
My name is Lucy, and we are 5th generation potato farmers from North Dakota, and we grow red potatoes and chipped potatoes.
Today we are making one of our favorite meals, roasted red potatoes on the grill.
First, dice the potatoes. And then Ruby here is going to add olive oil, onions,
Can I put the salt in?
and Lola here is going to put the salt in.
I'm assuming all of it. Good job.
And then Ruby here is also going to put the garlic in. As well as pepper. Now that we got it all mixed up, now we can put the tinfoil cover on.
And take it out to the grill.
Cook the potatoes until they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, so about 45 minutes to an hour. From the Halverson family to yours, we hope you enjoy this potato recipe, and if you want more recipes like this, go to potatogoodness.com.